Let's see sums based on ratio of areas of two triangles. What this one says, in the adjoining figure, PQ perpendicular to BC, fine, PQ is perpendicular to BC, AD is also perpendicular to BC, then find the following ratios. We have been given, we shall take one by one, step by step, how to solve these. To start off with the first one, always look at the question first, always look at the triangle. They say area of PQB and PBC. So look at PQB and PBC. PQB, PQB, PBC, PBC, PQB, PBC. In order to solve these kind of sums, always first say what is the base and height, so that you will be able to get it very easily. Property 1A, B, C or D. So when I say PQB, my base is BQ and height is PQ. When I say PBC, my base is BC, but height is again PQ. So height is same, so property 1C. Height is same, so property 1C. I hope my children are getting it. So triangle, the first one to start off with, let me say the first one. Triangle PQB and triangle PBC. PQB and PBC have common height. And what is the common height? PQ. They have common height PQ. Therefore, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equals to, if they have common height or equal height, areas are proportional to the corresponding bases. What is base of PQB? BQ. What is base of PBC? BC. I shall write down which reason, children. Property 1A, B, C, D. 1A, B, C, D. They have equal height, common height. 1C. So what I'll write down? Triangles with equal height or common height have areas, ratio of areas, or let me say ratio of areas of triangles having equal height. Let me name it in that way. Or rather reason in that way. The ratios of areas of triangle with common height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Start off with the second one. PBC, ABC. PBC, base is BC, height is PQ. ABC, base is BC, height is AD. So what we have? We have base common. So triangle, same lines, children, no change whatsoever. So what we'll write down as the second answer? We'll write down the second answer as triangle PBC and triangle ABC have what? Common base. And what is the common base? BC. Common base is BC. Therefore, area of triangle, what? PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equals to corresponding heights. What is height of PBC? Height of PBC is PQ. And what is height of ABC? Height of ABC is AD. Which property, children? Property 1B, they have common base. So the ratio of areas of triangle with common base have areas proportional to their corresponding heights, have areas proportional to their corresponding heights. Or you could have said triangles with common base have areas proportional to the corresponding height. Reason is from your end, children. What is the third one? ABC, ADC. ABC, ADC. What? Do they have common height AD? Indeed, because ABC has height AD. ADC is also having height AD. What they have common in? They have common height. So direct answer, triangle ABC and triangle what? ADC. ABC and triangle ADC have common height. Common height in terms of what? AD. When they have common height in terms of AD, which property to be used of? 1C. Can I say therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC is equals to, what is the base of ABC? BC. And what is the base of ADC? DC. I'm not writing any reason here, I'm writing directly property 1C. Property 1C. I want my children to by heart the properties, so I'm just writing property 1C. They have common height. What is the fourth one trying to say? Fourth one says ADC PQC. Check it out. ADC PQC. Do they have something in common? Let's check. ADC with base DC and height AD. PQC with base QC and height PQ. They have nothing in common. So direct answer, since they have nothing in common, which property? Property 1A. Nothing in common, property 1A. So direct answer. Direct answer is area of triangle. Area of triangle, first one is ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equals to, for ADC the base is DC and height is AD. So DC into AD. For PQC the base is QC and height is PQ. What I shall write down the reason as 1A. So what is it? Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and heights. Right, children? So this forms the base problem for our property 1, which has 4 types: 1A, 1B, 1C and 1D. Right?